Welcome to our video. Today we are going to cover how to print out PDF labels using Amazon FBA as an example on a Mac for your 2054A thermal printer. If you're just starting to set up your printer, you need to first watch the 2054A setup video before watching this video. Once you've done that, you can come back here. Secondly, you need Adobe PDF Reader. You can download it for free, and for your convenience, I will have all the links in the description below. So let's get started. When you authorize the charges when you're sending out FBA packages, typically it would ask you to download your labels for you to print out. By default, all of your downloads go to your downloads folder, and if you have a lot of downloads, you want to be sure to name it in a way in which you can easily find it. Once you find it, you're not going to open it just yet. What you need to do is either right click, and if you don't have a mouse, hold Ctrl and then click on the PDF and open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. As I've alluded to before, if you don't have Adobe Reader, you will not see that as an option, so you need to download it first. When you open your label with Adobe Reader, go to Edit and take a snapshot. What you want to do is make a box around one of your labels. If you mess up, you can just try again. It doesn't have to be 100% perfect, but you want to be at least close. Once you've put a box around your label, click on the print icon. When the menu pops up, be sure that you have your label printer selected. Under page size and scaling, you want that to be fit. Make sure that choose paper size source by PDF page size is unchecked. Under orientation, auto as well. Then we go to page setup. Make sure that your paper size is 4x6. Don't touch anything else. Press OK. Then we go to printer. Where you see layout, change that to printer features and make sure that darkness is set to the highest value. Go ahead and press print. Press print again, and you should have yourself a beautiful shipping label. Now, for Amazon's FBA label, you want to make sure that take a snapshot is selected. Make a box around the FBA label just like you did for the shipping label. Since you've already put your settings in for the previous label, you don't have to make any changes for the settings on this one. The main thing I would look out for is on the preview, just make sure it says 4x6 and you would be good to go. Press print and the Amazon label should come out perfectly as well. That about wraps it up for this video guide. I hope you were able to help. If you have any further questions, do not hesitate to reach out. You can chat with us on our website at arkscan.com.